Hello everyone, we are the team behind Soul Sketch. I'm Nimra Safa and my registration number is SP22 BCS049 and these are my group members Shahzad Ahmed SP22 BCS014 and Muhammad Hamza Zia SP22 BCS026. We're making psychological testing much better using AI. The problem was that the therapists currently waste a lot of time scoring critical assessments like HTP and BAI, all by hand on paper. This manual work is slow, inconsistent, and lacks objective physiological data. Our solution is Soul Sketch, a mobile application that integrates AI-assisted psychological testing, HTP, HFD, BAI, with real-time physiological data monitoring, GSR. This system is designed to streamline diagnosis and enhance clinical accuracy.
We start by launching the Soul Sketch app. After a quick look at the intro screens, which highlight the app's features like data security, we tap Get Started. On the sign-in screen, we choose to create a new account. I'll enter the details, my name, a professional email, and a secure password that meets all the requirements. Once complete, I tap Create Account. The app immediately prompts me to verify my email. I jump to my email client, find the Soul Sketch verification link, and click it. The browser confirms your email has been verified. Back in the app, tapping Check Verification Statuses confirms the status is updated. Now, I log in using my newly verified credentials. I land on the therapist dashboard, but before I can use the main tools, the HFD, HTP, BAI, or career tests, the app requires one more step. A pop-up alerts me, documents verification required. I tap Upload Docs, go to my profile, and select Verify Documents. I'm prompted to upload photos of my professional license or certificate. I use the camera to quickly capture and upload 2 images of my documents. After tapping Submit for verifications, the app confirms the documents are submitted and pending admin review. Now, let's switch to the admin view. The admin logs in and navigates to the Docs Review section from the sidebar. They see my pending submission. The admin reviews the 2 uploaded document images. Finding them satisfactory, the admin taps Approve. My status is instantly updated to approved. Back in my therapist dashboard, I am now logged in and greeted. Crucially, the tests are now fully accessible. To conduct the test, I first need a patient. I'll choose the HFD test and select New Patient. I enter the patient's details, name, gender, date of birth, and contact information. The app informs me that a new patient ID and login credentials will be automatically generated. The system instantly creates the patient account and displays the secure, temporary credentials with the patient ID. I copy these details so I can share them later. I continue to the HFD psychology test. The patient can either upload an existing image, capture a new one, or sketch here. I choose the digital canvas and draw a simple stick figure as instructed. I save the sketch and tap Analyze Drawing. After a brief moment where the AI processes the image, the results appear. The human figure drawing analysis detects the condition, mania, with an 88.7% confidence level. I can also see automatically generated professional notes and recommendations. I'll choose to save report. Now, I'll conduct the BAI test using the existing patient Uzair. I select him from the list and start the test. I quickly answer a few of the 21 questions, selecting responses like mildly, but it didn't bother me much for several anxiety symptoms. After completing the questionnaire, the BAI results show the patient's anxiety level, moderate anxiety. The app provides a description and a list of recommendations like speaking with a mental health professional and practicing relaxation techniques. Finally, I'll administer the career prediction test. This involves rating the patient across various personality traits, Big 5, and aptitude scores. I adjust the sliders to input the required data, such as a high score for conscientiousness and spatial aptitude. I click Predict Career. The AI runs the assessment and predicts the recommended career as tax accountant. I save this report as well. I can quickly access the chatbot for guidance. After initiating a chat, the psychology assistant introduces itself. I can ask it questions and view the chat history, and if needed, delete old conversations. Navigating to the feed section, I can read published mental health blogs. In the profile section, I can also easily toggle the app between light and dark theme. Checking my profile under My Patients, I see Uzair listed. Tapping his name shows his patient details, including a test summary showing 1 test each for BAI, HFD, and career predictions. I can review the details of each test, like the BAI's moderate anxieties and the HFD's detected disorder of mania. From the patient details screen, I can tap Export Report. This opens the sharing options. I select an external application like WhatsApp to send the generated psychological report in PDF format to a colleague for review or directly to the patient. The patient logs in using the unique credentials provided by the therapist. I enter the patient's email address and the temporary password. After tapping Login, the patient is directed straight to their personalized dashboard. The patient dashboard displays their high-level information, including their patient ID, age, gender, and the total number of tests completed, 3 in this case. The recent activity section quickly shows the last completed tests such as HFD and BAI with their completion dates. Navigating to the Test tab allows the patient to view their full test history. The list shows all completed assessments. The patient can tap on an entry, such as the HFD test, to view its specific assessment details, like the detected condition, mania, and the test status completed. They can also view the BAI test details, which confirms their anxiety level and the test date. The patient can browse educational content by switching to the feed section. This area displays mental health blogs published by the admin or the therapist. The patient can read articles, for example, Managing Stress in a Busy World, to gain general awareness and therapeutic insight. The profile tab displays the patient's personal and contact information along with their account information, including their patient ID and account status. A note at the bottom informs the patient that to change their password, they must contact their therapist, ensuring a secure and controlled environment. The patient can also switch between light and dark theme from the top bar.
We begin by logging into the admin dashboard. The dashboard provides a complete system overview, the total number of patients, therapists, total blogs, and all tests conducted. We also see test trends charts, allowing the admin to monitor the overall health and activity of the platform. The admin can easily switch between light and dark themes. The admin controls all user accounts and content. I navigate to the therapist section. Here, I can see the list of all therapists and filter them by their qualifications. Charts provide visual data on qualification distribution and registration trends. I can select any therapist to view or edit their profile details. In the patients module, I can filter the entire list of patients by age using a slider and instantly view distribution charts based on gender and age groups. I can access the blog section to search, filter content by category such as stress or anxiety, or review the one existing blog post. The chat management module allows the admin to monitor conversations between therapists and the AI chatbot. I can view the total number of chats and filter the chat history by a specific therapist. The admin can view and edit their own profile information. After completing all management and monitoring tasks, the admin ensures system security by choosing to log out from the platform.